It's Giffti. Welcome back to my channel and welcome new subscribers. I am Giffti, the gift to your hair. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step, start to finish tape-in extensions. This is a watch and learn, so I'm going to allow you to watch me do it, and hopefully you are able to learn the tricks and technique that you need to either install tape-ins on your own client, or if you are a client looking at my work to make sure Giffti does this correctly and looking to book me, you can literally book your appointment in the description box. So we're gonna start off by giving my client a nice shampoo and condition. The shampoo and condition is included within your tape-in extension service. I go over cleansing your scalp. Then we do detangle your natural hair, going through each section. My client has very beautiful thick hair, so to fully detangle her properly, I do have to take her out the dryer or take her out the shampoo bowl and go through her hair in sections to make sure that I detangle properly. After detangling and washing out the product, I am going to use heat protectant all over my client's hair, and now we're going to go into the blowing out of her hair. I used the heat protectant and I also added a light moisturizer in her hair to make sure that it's hydrated, because we do have to straighten out and apply heat and do a lot of extra stuff to my client's hair. So I did two steps: the heat protectant, then I added a light leave-in conditioner, then I go into the actual blow drying and detangling of her natural hair. Now I'm gonna go through and part out the hair to make sure that everything is straight before we actually start the install. I do mini sections, and I do take a small flat iron to the roots, then I take a big flat iron to the entire rest of the hair. The reason why I do that is because I want my root to be really like flat and straight, and I feel like with the big flat iron I can get as close as possible to my liking. So I'm gonna go through my client's entire hair from front to back, making it straight, and then we're gonna start on installing. Prep work for tape-in extensions is really important. Making sure that the client's natural hair is prepped and ready to go, it's really important. So I do trim my client's ends before starting the install. We're using deep wave 24-26 inch tape-in extensions from Giffti.org. I also added custom colors to the end to blend in with my client's natural hair color. Again, I'm using 2 packs of 26 inch, then I'm using 2 packs of 24 inch. So we mix 226, 224, that's 4 packs of tape-in extensions from Giffti.org in the deep wave texture with custom color. So you can either purchase our tape-in extensions off Giffti.org, or you can get the entire package deal. Check out the description of this video and I'll give you both options, either purchasing the tape-in extensions or getting the package deal with the tape-ins and the install all together. Some key benefits of tape-in extensions are: it appears extremely natural. You can use any texture to match your own hair. Let's say if you have more curly hair and you want it to have a curly texture, you can. So we have various textures available, and it can give you that super natural look that you're looking for. On top of it, tape-in extensions are low maintenance. So you'll be coming to the salon every 4 to 6 weeks for your touch-up. And that only takes about 3 hours to do your touch-up. So it's low maintenance on you. You only come back to the salon every 4 to 6 weeks after the application of the actual install. It also is very comfortable on your scalp, so you don't have to feel anything tension. You won't have to worry about it being too tight. You won't have to worry about it itching your scalp unless you have naturally itchy scalp. But it's very comfortable. You're not gonna experience discomfort to your scalp. On top of that, you're able to do a lot of hairstyles with it. So I'm going to show you guys a hairstyle at the end that my clients could do with her tape-in extensions. You can put it in ponytails, you can wear it half up, half down, you can do braids, you can do a lot of cute styles with more length and volume added to your natural hair. The removal is easy, it's very durable, so you can add heat on it if you want to go swimming, if you like. You can do a lot with the tape and extensions and not have to worry about it like slipping out as fast or having to redo your hair as fast. So if you're looking for something long term that lasts up to a month, depending on how your hair grows, you can go later, but I'll give you a month, and you're looking for something to do multiple styles with to give you that natural look plus volume and length, definitely check out Giffti.org tape-in extensions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the description box for more information and book your appointment. Shop Giffti.org tape-in extensions.